Foldable phones are taking the tech world by storm, and Oppo is at the forefront of this trend. Last year's Oppo Find N2 Flip impressed us with its stunning displays, long-lasting battery life, and comfortable design. But now, the question arises. How will Oppo level up with the upcoming Oppo Find N3 Flip? In this video, we're diving into the leaked details of the Oppo Find N3 Flip, exploring the improvements that might make it even more remarkable than its predecessor. From a powerful chipset to enhanced camera capabilities, we've got the scoop on what to expect from this anticipated foldable device. The Geekbench listing has revealed that the Oppo Find N3 Flip, bearing the model number Oppo PHT110, will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9200 chip. This latest chipset boasts an octa-core processor, featuring a combination of Cortex-A510, Cortex-A715, and Cortex-X3 cores. This setup promises a performance boost of around 10 to 15% compared to the Dimensity 9000 that fueled the Find N2 Flip. RAM options are also getting an upgrade. While 12GB of RAM is expected, there's a good chance that other variants, like 8GB and 16GB, will be available as well. This aligns with the options seen in the Find N2 Flip. And guess what? The Find N3 Flip will come out of the box with Android 13 pre-installed. Now, before we dive into the exciting camera upgrades, make sure you don't miss out on any of our upcoming tech updates. Hit that subscribe button right now so you stay in the loop with more exciting tech innovations. A notable change lies in the camera setup. Leaked images show a circular arrangement housing 3 cameras, suggesting a departure from the vertical alignment of its predecessor. Speculation points to the addition of a telephoto lens, likely offering 2x or 3x zoom capabilities. While most specifications are anticipated to remain similar to the previous generation, charging speeds are set to receive a significant boost, rumored to reach up to 67 watt. Excitingly, the launch event for the Oppo Find N3 Flip might be just around the corner, with rumors hinting at a later month release. Initially, the phone might hit the Chinese market first before becoming globally available. Stay tuned for more updates on the Oppo Find N3 Flip's features, performance, and overall experience. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for the latest tech insights.